This haul should have been $2 cheaper. One of my digitals didn't come off and I didn't feel like going back in the store to correct it. So I will tell you that if you are going to do the Suave deal, it may or may not work for you. But all the other deals worked without a problem. And stick around until the end because there are other deals at Dollar General this week that I planned and didn't do, including a freebie, y'all. Yup, freebie that wasn't in stock at my store. These 19 count all packs are on sale 2 for $8. Then you will use the $4 off of $2 Dollar General digital coupon, making it just $4 for both of them, or $2 a piece depending on how you look at it. Next are these Bic Bella razors. They are the 3 count pack. They are priced at $5. Using this high value $4 off of 1 digital coupon, you will pay just $1 for these razors. But be careful because they do have a $6 pack. You don't want to get those. You want to get the $5 one, so you're only paying $1 after your digital. Next are these 34 count Gain dryer sheets. They are originally priced at $2 each. You are going to buy one and use this $1 off digital coupon, making your price just $1 after the digital coupon. Now for the Suave deal that did not work and should have, it's fairly simple. You buy $7 worth of Suave products, you use this $2 off digital coupon, and you will end up paying $5 for those $7 worth of Suave products. Well, it did not work for me. It might work for you. You can go ahead and try it. Just make sure you're buying $7 worth of Suave stuff. If you need the items, go ahead and try it. If you don't necessarily need them and don't want to waste your money and have it not work, then don't try it. It's all up to you and how you want to do it. So there is this Quaker coupon. It is $2 off when you spend $6 on Quaker products. Now, I combed through all of them, and the cheapest deal idea I could find would be to buy 3 boxes of instant oatmeal. Now each box is $2, so that brings you to $6. Then you're going to use this $2 off digital coupon, making your total just $4 for all 3 boxes. That's $1.33 a piece, and that's really good if you are trying to find cheap breakfast staples because the kids are out of school. Instant oatmeal, super cheap, super easy, $1.33, you can't beat it. Our next item are these 21.6 ounce Gain dish detergents. Now they're on sale 3 for $5, so you have to buy 3 in order to get that price. So we're going to buy 3 of them, use this $1 off of 2 digital coupon, and pay $4 for 3 of them, or $1.33 each, and that's really good for this size. There is a $2 off pad coupon, and it has size restrictions. 24 count through 48 count you can get and use this coupon. I chose the cheapest one, which is the 24 count, and it's $2. When this coupon is applied to that, it is free. That $2 will balance it out and it will be free. The app even shows you that you should use this coupon on that, and that is why I tell people to not always look at the sales ad, to look at the app, because the sales ad will not always tell you the cheapest route. As always, I hope this video was super duper helpful. If it was, give this video a like. If you have any questions, comment them below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.